Hey guys, Pokebee back with another video. Today we are going to be opening up some more fake Pokemon cards. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I've got three more packs that have 4 booster packs inside. We've got 2 Battle Styles, a Team Up, and an Evolving Skies. Start off with that Battle Styles. Alright, we got Timber, Orbeetle, Yamper, Drampa, Carnivine, Onix, Electivire, Octillery, and Orbeetle. Nice holo. Alright. Move right into Evolving Skies now. Definitely some fake cards here. Alright. We've got Digging Gloves, Zweilous, Raichu, Appleton. Another holo. Moving into Team Up, we've got Execute, Dratini, Muck, Greninja, GX. We'll go into that last Battle Styles for this pack. Got Onix, Electivire, Octillery, Victory Bell, Mr. Rhyme, and Mimikyu V. Wow, that card looks really crappy. It's a terrible print. Alright. Okay, now on to the second pack. Got 4 more booster packs in here. They're all the same thing, just some different artwork on the pack fronts. Go ahead and start off with that Battle Styles again. Entei, Victory Bell, Mr. Rhyme again, Pignite, Girder, and another holo. Move right into that Evolving Skies now. We got Hoppip, Zoom, Lillipup, Bergmite, Psyduck, another holo. You'd think for fake packs they'd give you all ultra rares. I guess not. Alright, we'll go into now Team Up. You already see that Charizard, Dragonair, Rocksprit, Mr. Mime, Magikarp. Very nice. Alrighty, the last pack of these. Chimchino, Entei, Victory Bell, Pignite, Girder. What the heck is that? That looks awful. Alright, on to the last pack of 4 booster packs. Same packs again, different artwork on the front. Go into that Battle Styles. Aglash, Houndour, ooh, Victini V. That's a really nice looking card, too bad it's not real. Zapdos. Victini, Pinsir, Otod Swablu, Appleton, Hollow. Okay. Go into that team up now. Alright, Articuno, Pidgeot, Ponyta, Starmie. We got one more pack left. We've got Battle Styles. See what we got left. Look at him. Gino, Inti, Timber, or Beetle, Yamper, Drampa, Carnivine, and that looks awful. That is so dark. That is very dark. Urshifu V. Well, kind of look at what we got here. Not that any of them are real, but still kind of cool. Nice to open. Much cheaper than actually buying real Pokemon cards. The Victini's nice. Mimikyu. And Greninja. Yeah. Well, that's all I got for you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya!